Okay, I'm going to cover HSMworks, which is an add-on package, a CAM package that runs within Solidworks. One of my students actually found this software, and interestingly, the company was bought out by Autodesk, and they are still providing the free CAM package for the Solidworks version. So I hope it continues because it's a great CAM package. And it's seamless right within SolidWorks. So we've got our 3D model here. We click on our tab our CAM tab rather, and you can see that there's a couple of jobs created and a couple of tool paths created for these various operations. This is a sample file that I actually downloaded from the company that makes HSMworks. A next-gen CAM, the company that was bought out by Autodesk. I just want to show you a stock simulation. If you haven't seen CAM package running within SolidWorks, it's very cool. It simulates how the tool bit is going to travel through the work, and you can get a good idea on whether you're creating tool paths that are going to cut the way you intend them to. So anyway, what I'd like to show you now is how to get a hold of HSMworks for SolidWorks for free. So if you didn't know this, Autodesk has all of their software for free. So I'm still using some Autodesk products. Obviously I'm using this HSMworks product. So you go in as an educator, you create an account. Within there, you can look at all the different free software that's available. If you're not someone who wants to buy SolidWorks, you can use any of Autodesk's package. Fusion 360 is pretty popular right now. You can still use Inventor. At any rate, if you go to free software and you go down to products, you'll see that HSMworks Ultimate is available. And HSMworks Ultimate is an CAM package intended for their competitor, SolidWorks, that they're giving out for free, which is great for me. So anyway, just want to make sure that you are available or aware of the fact that Autodesk has a free CAM package that runs within SolidWorks. All you need to do is create an Autodesk Education account, go to free software, download that software, and you're up and running with a very powerful CAM package that will has post processors for the Tormach machines, most CNC routers, etc. Very extensive training files, which I'm going to get to in the next video. So if you're looking to go beyond solid modeling and get into the CAD CAM side of things, this is very powerful free software. Create an education account, download it from Autodesk, and install it right on top of SolidWorks, and you're up and running.